Hey guys, my name is Ryan and I am the Amazon and eBay guru. And if you guys are watching this video, then clearly you have some sort of interest in learning how to sell on Amazon FBA. And if you do have that sort of interest and want to get to achieve a lifestyle where you can travel around the world, live life the way that you want to live it on your own terms, not have to go into a 9-to-5 job, and be able to travel to places like I am currently in St. Thomas, in one of the top 10 beaches in the whole wide world, and it is in the Virgin Islands. And you could be, I'm literally standing in the water right now, and literally if you take the steps that I will give you, it will teach you how to sell on Amazon FBA. It'll teach you everything that you need to know to build a 6- or 7-figure revenue per year selling on Amazon FBA. And you can sell from anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter where you live. This course can help you. And it is currently on for $4.97, but with the coupon code YouTube 100 off, all one word, you can get $100 off this course right now. And this is a limited time offer. So if you don't jump on it soon, then you may have to pay the full $4.97. But if you want to get in at the $3.97 price, then use the coupon code YouTube 100 off. And that will show you how to get the $100 off and teach you everything that you need to know to sell on Amazon FBA and to grow your business and take your business to the next level and to achieve financial freedom. So like I said, guys, make sure you click this link here and get started on Amazon today. And this is not just for people who don't already have a seller account. If you already have a seller account, you can also take this course. And if you don't have a seller account, then this will teach you the absolute basics on how to create that and how to build your business to 6 or 7 figures in revenue. And 3 years ago today, I was working a 9-to-5 job. I hated going into work. I wasn't able to travel. I had to beg for time off, and now I'm able to travel all around the world. It doesn't matter, there's no time frame. I don't have to ask for time off. My Amazon FBA business is constantly running, and it has given me the chance to achieve financial freedom and to continue to build income every single day from anywhere in the world, as long as I have a Wi-Fi connection so I can check. But even if I don't, it doesn't matter because FBA will handle it itself. But I like to always check each day, so that's why I make sure anywhere I go that will have Wi-Fi. But anyways, like I said, if you want to get started and live this sort of lifestyle and be able to travel all around the world to some of the best beaches in the whole world, then make sure you check out my course. And right now it's going to be on for $3.97 with that coupon code that I mentioned earlier. So just click on the link that you see and go check out my course. And yeah, I hope to see you in it, and I will give you unlimited mentorship. So if you need any help if you have questions about the course or anything, I will always be available to answer that for you, as long as I'm not in the ocean or on a beach like this. But normally I'll be able to respond to you within 24 hours. So I really hope that you join my course and get onto the right path of achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching, guys.